Hey everyone, how are you all doing today? I hope you're doing well, and if you're new here, first of all, subscribe to the channel and let me quickly tell you what we are doing. We are practicing English together in this 30-day shadowing series. Yes, and today is day 4. We have already completed 3 days, and I'm really happy to see so many of you practicing consistently. And if you are one of them, I'm really proud of you. You're doing great. And if you're new here, you can start today. So come join us in today's practice. Shadowing means you speak along with me, or you can simply repeat after me. Focus on my pronunciation, my pauses, and expression, alright? So today's topic is talking to myself throughout the day. Let's begin. Listen carefully and repeat after me. I talk to myself quite often during the day. Most of the time, I do not even notice it. It happens naturally without any effort. In the morning, my thoughts are usually simple. I tell myself to wake up and start the day. Sometimes I feel ready and focused. Other times I feel a bit lazy. I often say, just get up and begin. That small push helps me move forward. While getting ready, I think about my schedule. I ask myself what I should prioritize first. I try to organize my thoughts clearly. But sometimes everything feels a bit scattered. I remind myself to take it one step at a time. That helps me stay calm and steady. When I start working, I guide myself. I say, focus on this task right now. Then I move on to the next one. If I get distracted, I notice it quickly. I bring my attention back again. Around midday, I start feeling a little tired. I ask myself if I should take a break. Sometimes I decide to rest for a while. Other times I choose to keep going. It depends on my energy level. I also try to encourage myself. I say, you're doing better than you think. That gives me a sense of motivation. When things feel difficult, I pause for a moment. I tell myself not to overthink everything. I remind myself that I can handle this. That thought gives me confidence. In the afternoon, I check my progress. I think about what I have completed so far. I also look at what still needs to be done. Sometimes it feels like a lot, but I try not to feel overwhelmed. I remind myself that progress takes time. And I keep going at my own pace. By evening, I start reflecting on my day. I think about what went well. I also notice what I can improve. I do not judge myself too harshly. I try to learn from my own mistakes. Talking to myself keeps me aware. It helps me stay focused and balanced. It also keeps me motivated throughout the day. Sometimes it feels like I'm guiding myself, and that gives me a sense of control. At the end of the day, I feel more clear and prepared for tomorrow. That was really good. Now you're not just learning English, you're learning how to think in English. Now go back and do it again. First time, focus on words. Second time, match the tone. And third time, speak with confidence. And if you are practicing daily, you're doing something really powerful. Keep going. Like this video, share it with someone who needs this, and comment day 4 done. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Day 5 is coming tomorrow. Stay consistent. I'll see you in the next video.